warm welcome to this session on Prepare Bill of Material for a 1 kilowatt solar photovoltaic installation. At the end of this session, you will be able to select components for 1 kilowatt solar photovoltaic after sizing. Draw a single line diagram for a 1 kilowatt solar photovoltaic system. Tools and equipments required. Inputs regarding sizing of photovoltaic plants. Inputs from market about component specifications. Input from market about cost of components. Discuss different possibilities of combinations of making 1 kilowatt solar photovoltaic installation. If the sanctioned load of a resistance is 1 kilowatt, then the total load shall not exceed 1000 watt at any time. If the residence uses full load for 1 hour, then the power consumption at this time is 1000 watt hour or 1 unit. As we are planning solar photovoltaic system which will generate maximum 1000 watt per hour, solar panels are available in 250 watt power. For 1 kilowatt solar photovoltaic system, we have to size the components. The components are inverter, battery bank, charge controller, solar array, solar structure. Other components: accessories, array junction box, disconnects, wires. For deciding on battery size or charge controller, etc., we have to decide on system voltage. System voltage is a DC value in volts selected as working voltage in an solar photovoltaic system. It also depends upon total capacity of the solar photovoltaic plant 1 kilowatt. Based on the capacity, the current rating of wires and cables in the system, disconnects, etc. will be determined for their specifications. Different possibilities of combinations of making 1 kilowatt solar photovoltaic installation are given below. 1 kilowatt solar plant single line diagram with parallel connected panels. 1 kilowatt solar plant single line diagram with series connected panels. 1 kilowatt solar plant single line diagram with series and parallel combination with battery. The cost of a solar system varies depending upon the size of the solar system, quality of the components used, and also several factors such as capacity, brand, and installation costs. Prepare a bill of materials for 1 kilowatt solar photovoltaic installation with parallel connected panels. The following bill of materials for 1 kilowatt solar plant single line diagram with parallel connected panels. When connecting solar panels together in parallel, the total output remains the same as it would be for a single panel, but the output current becomes the sum of the amperage, that is, current of each panel. Thus, the effect of parallel wiring is that the voltage stays the same while the ampere adds up. Parallel connection allows having more solar panels that produces energy without exceeding the operating voltage limits of inverter, which keeps charging capabilities steady. It requires thick wires to handle higher amperage, that is, current that will travel far away, about 10 to 15 feet from where the controller is situated. Bill of materials: solar photovoltaic channel, 250 watt power, maximum voltage Vm is equal to 30 volts. Im, maximum current is equal to 10 amperes. Open circuit voltage VOC 34 volts. Short circuit current ISC 8 amperes. 4 numbers. Solar inverter. Sample specification. Output AC 230 volts 50 Hz. Power rating 1.5 kilovolts ampere. DC input 20 volts to 60 volts. 40 amperes maximum. Battery input 24 volts. 1 number. Solar batteries 12 volts 100 ampere hour. 4 numbers. Charge controller 24 volts 20 amperes. 1 number. Array junction box IP65 1 number. AC main junction box IP65 1 number. Suitable connecting wires with disconnectors as required. Prepare bill of materials for 1 kilowatt solar photovoltaic off-grid plant with series connection of solar panels. Connecting panels in series will increase the voltage level and keep the amperage, that is, current the same. The reason why series connections are utilized with controllers is that controllers actually able to accept higher voltages input and still be able to charge 12 volts or more batteries. It also depends upon specific situation. The disadvantage with the series wiring is that all panels are basically depends upon each other. If one parallel shaded, the whole string will be less efficient or at the same time not generating any power at all. An open in any one of the device will also interrupt current flow to all the remaining devices. Changing the resistance value of one device will change the current voltage and power values of all remaining devices. Prepare a bill of materials for the single line diagram. Observation. Bill of materials. Solar photovoltaic channel 250 watt power. Maximum voltage Vm is equal to 30 volts. Maximum current Im is equal to 10 amperes. Open circuit voltage VOC is equal to 34 volts. Short circuit current ISC is equal to 8 amperes. 4 numbers. Solar inverter sample specification. Output AC 230 volts 50 Hz. Power rating 1.5 kilovolts ampere. DC input 20 volts to 60 volts 40 ampere maximum. Battery input 24 volts. 1 number. Solar battery bank 12 volts 100 ampere hour. 4 numbers. Charge controller type MPPT 24 volts 20 amperes. 1 number. Array junction box IP65 1 number. AC main junction box IP65 1 number. Suitable connecting wires with connectors as required. Recap. In this session, we have learned how to select components for 1 kilowatt solar photovoltaic after sizing, how to draw a single line diagram for 1 kilowatt solar photovoltaic system. Hope you have understood all the concepts in this session. See you in the next session with a new concept. Thank you.